Okay, guys, when you're in a building and you hear this thing go, you have to leave the building immediately because there is a fire emergency. If you hear this thing go, and you see a strobe light flashing, you must immediately leave the building because there is a fire emergency. Wherever you are, say you're minding your own business and you hear this thing go, and you see a strobe light flashing, you have to leave the building immediately because that is alerting you to a fire. When the fire alarm goes off, you must immediately evacuate the building because it is alerting you to a potential fire. This is very serious. Whenever you hear this thing go, that is telling you that there is a fire in the building and you have to evacuate now. So, pay attention to that. No matter where you are and you hear this thing go, you must immediately leave the building. You are minding your own business and you are enjoying your life. You're having fun with your friends out at a restaurant and you're not realizing that this thing is going off and you're just talking away, not realizing that you have to leave. No matter what you're doing and you hear this thing go, you have to leave the building immediately for your own safety. When this thing goes, you have to take it very seriously. You have to take that alert very seriously. When you hear that alarm go off, you must immediately leave the building. But never be one of those individuals that pulls this for fun. Whenever you hear You must immediately leave the building. Bye.